Hi everybody, and welcome to the Painted Ivy. One moment, let me get my comments set up and we will get started. So I posted that painting is for the birds, creating is for the birds, but it's actually for birdhouses. So let's see if I can't see you, so hold on one second. Okay, if I all right, we're having a little technical difficulty here. So I put, okay, well, we're just going to kind of make it work. This is my birdhouse, and I did a little quick acrylic paint, brushed it on, and then took a sanding block and sanded it down. What I would like to do is now decorate it, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for that journey. And since I don't know why my screen's so small. Anyway, we're going to get started, and I'll just move it up and down as necessary. The first thing we're going to do is the roof, because we want to start at the top and we're going to dry in between. So let's get started. We're going to put, let's see, Market and Antique Shop open daily. So before I put this on, let's decide on our colors. And since this is the top, let's do black on the top. So I'm going to stir my paste and stir it really well. Because I want it to be a really good consistency. And when you come online, if you can hear me, then say hello, let me know you're here. Hi Tim, welcome to the live.
I have to go to the Painted Ivy website.
I know. Okay, now I stirred this up and I think it's fine. So we're just going to put our transfer on and get started. And I know it's a little hard for you to see. I don't understand that. We'll work it out for another one. But let's, let me stand this up. We're gonna fuzz the transfer and stick it on, and we're gonna put it down a couple of times and move it. Thank you. We're gonna put it down a couple of times and move it around. So we're gonna do Market or Antique Market. That's what we're gonna do. Antique Market open daily. So I want to center the word antique right here. And because it's such a small word, I'm just kind of thrown off that you can't see the screen. Does your screen look like that? Oh, I don't know what it is. Okay. I'll have to work on that. So we will put this on, and I'm going to take it off. Look at that, Antique Market. I'm just going to lay it down again. I'm going to be very careful here not to touch the other word. right, and we'll peel it off. Check that out. Isn't that cute? All right, now we're going to put Open Daily here. And you guys, I'm just going to give it a second before I do this because I want to be able to see what you see, so I need to let it catch up. Okay. And we're going to peel that up. That's so cute. I like it. All right, now for the other side, I'm going to turn this around. For this side over here, I want to make sure you can see, and I'm just seriously thrown off by that. Okay, we're going to move on. For the other side, let's see, historic downtown. I'm mixing a few transfers together. So we're going to just we're kind of ad-libbing here. Historic. Yep, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do historic, and then we're going to turn it. This is the roof of the birdhouse. Now, I don't know if any of you have ever went up from Tennessee through Virginia and stuff, and you see Ruby Falls signs all over the sides of the barns and stuff. Hi, Elisa. That's kind of what inspired me to put the writing on the roof here. So we're just going to kind of go with this. So historic downtown. Let's move it over and put it right here. Yeah, we'll go with that. Press it down a little. How are you, Elisa? Creatings for the birds today. I'm just having fun with the bird houses. Alright, now peel that off. Cute, cute. And the other side, Antique Market, Open Daily. Okay, now I'm going to hit this with a blow dryer. Because we're going to kind of be doing all the sides, but I wanted the roof. And if you notice, I sanded it down a little. So some spots you see, it looks as if there's, it looks kind of like there's no paint there. But I wanted it kind of worn because we're just going to pretend it's been out in the weather a little bit. Now, the front, we're going to fix up really cool. And we're going to add a splash of color. This is going to be a very colorful birdhouse. So I'm closing up the black, and we're just going to continue on with our next transfer. I'm just cleaning up the black off my hands from handling that one. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is decorate the front, and we're going to put flowers. on this. So now, after I painted the birdhouse, I sanded it down really, really well. Wood is a little harsh at times on your transfers. This is not the first time I've used these transfers, so it's not going to be as bad. The colors I'm going to put on this are going to be kiwi and yellow. So I got to get the other part. I'm sorry. I didn't get both pieces. This is my second piece. So let me get my first piece out. I knew something was kind of looking funny when I was going to double it up. Will you pull through here for me? Open it up, not to. Okay, we're gonna move on. It's okay. We're gonna move on to this side here because we're gonna put a rooster over here while we pull the other transfer. So it's in the back. We're gonna lay the rooster back here. And I'm gonna do it in black. I want to press this down really well. And we're going to come back and paint this when we're done. So let me get my black out again. And because I just started, I don't have to go over it anymore. Is that the copy? Does it fit over one of those? We'll add some color to this when we're done. Now I made one of these and hand painted without the transfers, and I called it Ruled the Roost Birdhouse. And I have to push it up underneath the edge of the awning there just to make sure I'm covering all of it, and then scrape it off. I'm so sorry, you're kind of limited on what you can see, and I don't know why that is today, but I'm going to try to fix that. Okay, now we're going to peel up the rooster. Look how cool. If I turn it this way, you could see it better, but then you have to kind of lay over on your side. So I won't torture you like that.
Do you want that one?
Yeah. Let me hit it with a blow dryer. If you could cut that. One second. Don't pull it. Okay, I'm gonna hit this with a blow dryer real quick. This is really kind of bothering me that your vision is obscured. My mount fell when I come online. I'm sorry. I know I'm kind of taking you on a roller coaster ride here. Okay, maybe that's a little better. And now you can see. So, okay. Let's do the other side right here. And on this side, we're going to put eggs. We're going to paint the other side, so don't worry. I want the eggs, you know, you guys go and get fresh eggs. They're going to be a little brown, but I'm going to mix in a little brown with some custard to kind of brighten them up a little bit, because I don't want really dark eggs. So that should be kind of fun. So we're going to put some eggs over here. We're at a farmer's market. You see all kinds of things there. So we have mocha, this beautiful color, and we have custard. So I'm going to stir it up, add a little bit of water. My tripod fell. That's the problem that I'm having. So I'm just going to mix up the paste a little. No, it's okay. Seriously, it's not gonna, it's falling still. All right, so we don't have, just gonna spread this on. I don't want them really dark. And then we'll just squeegee it to cover. Guys, I am so sorry. Okay, so now you see the eggs. Elisa, can you see? Just having the hardest time with my mount falling. Okay, let me hit this with a blow dryer.